Telenotes makes it easy to find customers. In the search box at the top, type in the company name. Select the company from the drop-down list. From here, you can see all open follow-ups or all call notes in a list of all the notes that you've done with that customer. You can also edit that customer, for example, if they become an active customer instead of a prospect. Click Edit, then change the label by deselecting Prospect and selecting Active. Click Save, and it's automatically updated. You can also add contacts to that customer by clicking New in the upper right-hand corner, then Contact. Type in the contact's first and last name and add any additional information you have for that contact, such as title, email address, and/or phone numbers to complete the contact information. Then click Save, and that will automatically add the contact to that list of contacts. On the right side of the company page, there are menu tabs that are custom to each Telenotes client. If you see one or more tabs that are of interest to you, contact Telenotes support to request that feature. In this example, you can view call notes, projects that they are associated with, any opportunities that you have, expenses that you've incurred, any files that you've uploaded for this company, and custom fields. In this case, you might want to know the lead source, number of locations, or lines of business that are represented. Basically, you can create a custom whiteboard or profile for each of the companies in your list. And that's how you find and manage customers in the Telenotes CRM.